G'day guys, Ben from WeFix Tech with another phone repair for you guys today. Now we're going to be working on an iPhone 5S battery replacement. Very basic repair to do yourself. Just like I said, always follow the steps and enjoy the video. Alright.
Turn off your device. You will need a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two security pentalobe screws. Use a thin blade or a spudger to gently pry off the screen. Remove the home button connector that is connected to the charging port. Remove the two screws holding the battery guard. Disconnect the battery flex. There are two adhesive strips holding the battery in place. Remove these. This may take a bit of time, as a lot of the time they will break. Now the battery is removed, it's time to install your adhesive strips. Install your brand new battery. Test the battery by powering on the device. Install the battery bracket back on. Reconnect the home button connector. There are two lugs on the top of the screen. Tuck these into the frame and click the screen into place. Rescrew the two security pentalobe screws and you're done.